In today's video, I will show you how to download WordPress and install it on XAMPP. Firstly, we need to go to Google and search for WordPress download. First link should be official WordPress site. Click on it. Now in this site, click on blue download WordPress button. Your available version and what you see on the screen might be different if new version's available, but still click on the button and downloading will start. It will take a while. When it's finished, just locate downloaded folder and unzip it. If you can't right now, you need to download WinRAR. It's free software for unzipping. When you are done with unzipping, just go into folder and you have WordPress files. Now in the next video, we will show you how to install it on your Windows PC or laptop. Now we need to go to XAMPP and start Apache server and MySQL. Make sure both are running and you're not encountering any errors. Then we need to locate where we have WordPress files. Then we need to locate where XAMPP files are installed. In folder, we need to find folder name stocks and put WordPress folder in it. You can rename folder if you want. Now we will go to web browser and search for localhost/folder name. In my case, it's WordPress. It will load WordPress installation. First, we need to select language and press continue. Now in new page, just click let's go. In new page, we need to put out database information. But firstly, we need to create new database. For this, in new tab, to localhost/phpMyAdmin. On left, you can see I already have 10 or so databases created. To create new one, you just need to click on new, type new database name, and press create. Now when our database is create, we can go back to WordPress installation. Let's type our database name in first field. For me, it will be YouTube. Now for user, you should be using root user and password is empty. That's it. We can press submit. And now click run the installation. Simply fill up form with site name, username, and password you will be using for admin page logins and email address. When you've finished, click install WordPress. It will finishes up installation, and now you can log into admin page with your credentials. By changing site URL, you can go to home page. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.